In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a Notion. This is one of those tiny shortcuts that can save you a lot of time and reduce stress when you make a quick mistake. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can start using it right away. First, let's create a small scenario where an undo would be helpful. Imagine you have a line of text on your Notion page that you didn't mean to remove. To simulate that, place your cursor inside the text and delete it. You can do this by selecting the text and pressing backspace or delete, or by clearing the whole block if you prefer. The idea is just to remove some content so we can bring it back. Now that the text is gone, here's the fastest way to undo the change. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and Z together. That's Ctrl plus Z. You should see your deleted text instantly reappear, exactly where it was before. If you made a few changes in a row, you can keep pressing Ctrl plus Z to step back through your recent actions one at a time, in reverse order. This works for typical edits like typing, deleting, formatting, and moving blocks around within the same page. If you're pressing the keys and nothing seems to happen, make sure Notion is the active window and your cursor is focused somewhere on the page where you made the change. Sometimes, if another app has focus or a dialog is open, the shortcut won't register in Notion. Also, if you navigated to a different page, go back to the page where you made the edit and try again. Notion tracks your recent actions per page and session, so staying on the same page usually gives you the best results. A quick tip if you're using a different operating system. On many keyboards, the shortcut is the same. If you're on a Mac style layout, use Command plus Z instead of Control Alt plus Z. The idea is identical. It simply walks your page back to a previous state. After you undo, take a second to confirm that the text looks right. If you had multiple edits close together, you might need one or two extra taps of Control plus Z to land exactly where you want. That's all there is to it. Remove a piece of text to create the change, then use Control plus Z to instantly undo it and restore what you had. Practice this a couple of times, and it'll become second nature whenever you need a quick safety net in Notion.